All right, team, welcome back. Today is day 7 of the Power and Grace Challenge. And I just want to say congratulations on showing up for yourself all week, and especially to hit play today, because this 10-minute flow is going to give you flexibility, joint mobility, and circulation using just your body and mat. There's no timer today, just fluid, feel-good movement that you can come back to anytime you need for a moment of connection and care. You can use this as a recovery session, a morning wake-up, or simply a way to move with ease throughout your day. If you're using your Apple Watch today, you're going to set it at flexibility. Make sure to subscribe and tap that bell so that we stay connected. And if you want more exclusive perks, additional content, click that join button below. Roll your shoulders back, take a deep breath, set that intention. We're gonna move with mindfulness. So take a seat, and we're gonna have the knees bent, open them up, and we're dropping them into 90-90. So as you do your 90-90s, you wanna pop open your chest, and sometimes you slide on your floor, so make any adjustments that you need to. Mobility is all about movement through a range of motion. And if you just woke up, this is so good for your body, or even during the day or at night. Let's do one more in each direction. And then take yourself to all four. Take your hands, fingers face your knees. And we're gonna stretch out the wrists. So you're gonna kind of lean back and then push forward. And again, we want movement. So it's just a little hold in the stretch and then release. As you're here, I still need you to pull your belly up and in, shoulders away from your ears. Now move side to side toward the front, the back. Spread those fingers. And now flip the hands. Let's do a little cat-cow. If you want to, just roll the wrists. And then cat-cow. Rounding the spine, tucking the tailbone. And then release from the tailbone. And then the head comes up. So start at the head, round. Definitely want to maintain spinal mobility as we age. Let's do 2 more. Rounding. Release. 1 more time. Big tuck here. Open up. And find neutral. We're going to sink into the shoulders. So you're going to let your shoulders kind of drop down and then broaden the back. So sink in the shoulders and then push away. Give me 1 more. Shoulder drop. Push away. Down dog. And the knees come down. Push back into child pose. Pull forward, down dog. Knees down, child. This time, you're gonna pull yourself forward into up dog. So maybe walk the hands a little forward, let the hips drop. Push into child. And again, we're pulling forward. We'll do a few of these. In that up dog, hold. Now take your eye gaze, drop your chin down, look to the back, over to the back, and then drop and look to the front, and do that again. And then we're gonna push into down dog. So push into the knees and then down dog, hold. Walk the dog, alternate lifting and lowering the heels. One more each leg here. And then come into the plank, lower all the way down onto your stomach. Let the toes rest on the ground. We're gonna reach out in super and then reach it back, interlock the fingers, lift the chest up. And again, reach forward, lower, lift up, interlock, stretch back. Do 2 more. And release, push back, child pose. Into a kneeling position here. So I want you to tuck your toes underneath you and then sit back so that we get a stretch in the feet. Ooh. Just a little wiggle in the hips here. Now we're gonna go into what we call camel. We're gonna lift the hips up. Take one hand either to the back or to the heel, reach it up. From there, we go into a down dog. Hands go down, press to down dog. Knees go down, switch into the camel, reach the other direction. Down dog. Knees down, camel. Down dog. One more. Down dog. And then we're gonna do camel. We're gonna do full camel. So this means both hands reach back. We open up the chest. Push your hips forward. And release. Come into that kneeling position. Take the back arm, side reach, and then bend. You can drop your butt to your heels if you want to. There we go. Take it up and over to the other side. I'll face front here. One more time here. Now, as you're reaching this arm, sweep it down all the way around and back up. Same arm, sweep it down and around. Switch that arm, reach up, sweep it down and around. One more time here. Take it front. All right, from here, you guys can face forward. Hands behind the head. Open up the chest. Now, if you want to still stretch in your toes, you can tuck them under, so that can give you that stretch in your feet. Exhale as you round down. Tuck in. Inhale, open up. Look up. Exhale, round. 2 more. Last one. Come to all 4. Circle your hips. Stabilize those arms. Circle the other direction. Holding neutral. Now we're going to kind of push back. Take the back foot, step it into lunge. Keep the knee on the ground, so we're gonna really lunge it forward. Your heel can lift, so we get a stretch in that ankle. And then we're gonna pull back to hamstring. And again, push forward, lunge to hamstring. One more. Hold the lunge, give me a little twist. Take the knee from the ground, a little twist here. And then step back to plank, down dog. Other foot steps forward into lunge, knee drops, and flow into that lunge, hamstring. So as you're warming up, hopefully that range of motion is getting a little bit bigger. Let's do one more of these. Lunge, knee comes up, let's rotate, so reach it up. Hand goes down, step back, down dog. Walk the dog just a little bit here, and then open the feet up. We're gonna go into wide straddle. Hands right underneath the shoulders, right underneath your chest. Take the front hand. We're gonna open up for a twist, reach it up, and switch. Hand goes down, twist to the front, and twist it to the back. Back into that straddle, hold. Grab your elbows, start to swing a little bit front to back. All right, steady, walk back out. So we were in forward flexion a lot here. So drop the hips, let's do up dog. Bring your feet in a little bit. Push the shoulders down, eyes are up. And then release into child. From that position, walk the hands back. We'll face toward the front. Step the feet out into squat. So everybody's got different mobility in their hips. If you're really tight, you might need to have a wider stance, or maybe you can bring them in and then just start to move a little side to side, pushing the knees out. And then if you can just hold, and if this is difficult, take your body to a wall. You can always put your back into a wall. You can get a better position here. You can get deeper. Straighten it out, and then we're gonna bend back down into that squat. One more, straighten it out. Step the feet in, roll yourself up, and then shoulder rolls. Circle the arms up and back. One more big circle, and then bring the feet in. Attitude of gratitude. Big inhale, reach it out, reach it up. Reach it back. Pull it into that heart. Now just pause here. Place your hand on your heart. Take a couple of deep breaths here. Feel your heart beating. Last deep breath. Let it go. Yay for you. Oh my gosh, you should feel so good. Remember, you can include this at any time of your day to make you feel your best. Thank you to my team. Thank you, Carol. Thank you, Cheeky. I'm feeling pretty amazing. Thank you, Diane, and thank you guys. Make sure if you enjoyed the workout, just thumb it up and comment below what you enjoyed. And we will see you back on the mat. Love you guys. Bye-bye.